Good evening. We are welcoming you in Geology Kaksha class. So, our first class is on the topic Geology and its branches. Now, we are going to discuss about what is geology. Geology, it is a science which is devoted to the study of the earth. It deals with the study of earth's surface, composition, structure and origin. We also study about the inhabitants of earth in geology. So, you are clear about what is geology. Now, further we are going to discuss about branches of geology. There are 8 branches of geology. Now, first branch is physical geology. Now, what is physical geology? Physical geology is concerned with the work of natural process which bring about the changes upon Earth's surface. You know something which is changing on the Earth's surface by physical or natural process we considered in physical geology. Now second branch is petrology. What is petrology? Petrology is a study of all type of rocks. The branch of geology in which we study of all type of rocks, their origin, composition, structure are called petrology. Now mineralogy. What is mineralogy? The branch of geology in which we study of minerals, their origin, composition, structure, appearance, stability, etc. That is called mineralogy. Now, fourth branch is stratigraphy. First, we must understand the meaning of strata and graphy. Strata means rock layers, graphy means study. Study of rock layers or stratas of sediments, beds and classification is called stratigraphy. Clear? Study of rock layers of sediments, beds and classification is called stratigraphy. Now fifth branch, structural geology. The branch of geology in which we deals with the study of structure of rocks on the earth's surface or crust is called structural geology. Sixth branch is paleontology. Now first we understand about the meaning of paleo, ontology. Paleo means ancient life, logy means study. The branch of geology in which we study of fossils of ancient life forms and their evolution is called paleontology. Now we discuss about the historical geology. Historical geology is combined study of stratigraphy and paleontology. We came to know about land, sea, climate of early times. This is considered in historical geology. Now eighth branch is economic geology. You know economic importance, economic. So now we discuss about economic geology, the branch of geology in which we deals with the study of minerals, areas of fossil fuels of economic importance, that is called economic geology. Right? Now we discussed further. Now we are going to discuss about mining geology. The branch of geology is concerned with the study of application of geology to mining engineering, that is called mining geology. Now, next branch is engineering geology. The branch of geology in which we study of application of geology to civil engineering, that is called engineering geology. So, this is the branch. Further we discussed. First, we discuss about what is geology. After that, physical geology, petrogeology, mineralogy, stratigraphy, structural geology, paleontology, historical geology, economic geology. This is our notes. So you can write one by one. Okay. This is our notes. You can write from these notes. Okay. Now we discuss about scope of geology. What is the scope of geology in today's era? The importance of geology has also been recognized in the field of civil engineering. Many engineering projects such as water supply, construction of dams, reservoirs, tunnels, bridges, etc. Geology has a broad scope in wild exploration, environmental project and protection and resource management. There are many scopes of geologist. So first we understand about what is geologist. The person who studies the earth, the structure of earth, how it is made, the origin, its history are called geologist. So first we know about what is geologist, and after that now we are looking for types of geology jobs. So you can see that 4 types of jobs basically. First category in 4 category. First category is corporate sector jobs, non-profit jobs, government jobs, academic jobs. Now we further discussed in detail what is corporate jobs and non-profit, government, academic. Sure. Come. You can see in corporate sector jobs, we are getting jobs in oil, mining, environmental engineering. Non-profit, environmental planning and educational jobs. In government sector, planning jobs, regulation, protection, surveys, engineering. And in academic jobs, secondary education, college, university, professor, lecturer, you can teach in professional institutes as well as in central university or state university. Now, discussed geology jobs. First, environmental field technician. Many of the person have question which type of jobs we get after completing BSc Geology Honours or MSc Geology Honours or PhD. So now you can see environmental field technician jobs. Second, forester jobs. Third, environmental protection specialist, high school science teacher, hydrographic surveyor, GIS analyst or computer system analyst, archaeologist, sustainability engineer, environmental science, geologist, petroleum engineer, quarry manager, environmental engineer, civil engineer. There are many scopes in today's era in geology branch. So this is today's class and this is our notes. So if you want to write, then you can write from up to down. So this is our notes, and if you want to full details and full notes, so you can contact on my WhatsApp number, which will be given in description. Thank you everyone.